Hi, friends. So good to see you. We have a big announcement. So, Mike Staunton is now joining me at Sentinel Coaching. We have combined our efforts. So, we are going to be working together more closely. You've already seen it. We've worked together for the last couple of years, doing our ILMA, the Ideal Life and Money Academy. And so, we are just now officially joining forces at Sentinel Coaching to focus on the Ideal Life and Money Academy.
That's right, Jason. We will be under the umbrella of Sentinel Coaching with the focus of ILMA. And I'm bringing my email list to Jason's email list, and this is where you're watching this. So no matter how you got here, you will see us as a duo going forward. And currently, if you don't know, we have a budgeting and debt elimination course. We have an investing course. And we also have an ILMA membership that we have had open in the past. Currently, it is closed, but be on the lookout for some new cool materials coming up.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put content up every single week on our YouTube channel at Ideal Life and Money Academy. And that is covering all kinds of different topics from finance to career to relationships, like you name it. We've got something up there for that topic. We're just trying to help as many people live their ideal lives as possible.
And if you've watched this video this far, you already understand what we're about. But please share this with someone that would be beneficial to learn more about their finances and living their ideal life. We want to reach as many people as possible, and that's why we've joined forces.
Thank you so much for all of your support through all of these years. It's just going to get more and more exciting as we've joined forces to bring people their ideal lives more and more. Thanks again so much, and we look forward to seeing you soon.